Assalamu alaikum. At first, I would like to thank all of my respectful teachers and project thesis committee for giving me this wonderful opportunity to present my project presentation. My project name is Onushilon, which is a virtual lab for school and colleges science lab experiment. I am Abdullah Liamin Maruf and my ID is 173355256. My supervisor is SK Fazli Rabbi sir. Now I am going to discuss about these topics. About Onushilon. Onushilon is based on the idea that lab experiment can be taught using the internet more efficiently and less expensively. The online lab is made for students with no access to physical lab or where equipment is not available owing to be rare or costly. Motivation. Virtual lab are easily to set up, use and maintain with notable reduction cost and time. Experiment can also be repeated multiple times. The lab has to be adopted in school and colleges to make their student think outside of the box. Objective. Utilizing a virtual lab provides students with no chance to develop critical thinking, innovation and team working skills, all of which are highly valued in today's job market. Saving time and focus more on their experiment, individualized practice in all areas experimentation. The ability to perform, record, and learn experiments anywhere, anytime, helping them to understand the opportunity and scopes of what they can do more with their experiments. The problem statement. These are the problem I am trying to solve. In our country, students are in laboratory. They focus on writing test cases on their notes because they need to prepare a lab report for their board practical examination. The major problem in rural areas is students cannot conduct experiment in villages, schools and colleges due to lack of laboratory equipment and less funding. In this pandemic situation, schools and colleges are off over a year. Students cannot conduct lab experiment because online there are no possibility to explore science lab experiments. So the only solution of this kind of problem is virtual lab. What and how I am trying to solve this problem. To main the objective of develop a virtual lab that supports flexible online collaborative science experiment learning environment where school and colleges can learn science experiment by simulation. The experiments of physics, chemistry, biology subject of class 9 to 12 in NCTP curriculum also provide theory, procedure, pictures, video animation, simulation, observation tables and resources of every experiment. There are create a lab room where teachers can assign experiments, evaluation and grading observation and see all student performance. Create a science e-learning community platform where students can ask their queries or doubts or share their experiments. Students and teachers both can create posts and comments in the lab room and science community. Also create a monitoring platform for institution to monitor their student performance and teachers activity. Also they can post a notice and arrange any workshop. So how does this project impact in our society? It allows learner to learn through exciting, motivating activities to discover and solve problems systematically. Hands-on lab experiment in a flexible learning context and real-world problem solving. It is helping to calculate their experiment results and records their experiment data in observation tables and grade results accuracy with graph view. Students are capable of experimenting as much as possible without barriers to tools, time and place. Feasibility study. A feasibility study is a study to find out made easier than committing to a project. My project is financial feasible, technical feasible, also risk and resourceful feasible. Stakeholders. According to project management, project managers, a project or person or group or a organization will be influenced or affected through in a discussion, activity or outcome of the project. An institution, user, teachers or contributors and students or learners as the stakeholder of this system. Functional requirement. These are the functional requirements that the end user especially demands as basic facilities of this system should be offered. Registration, authentication, experiment on science practical, observation experiment table, create lab room, enroll in the lab room, assigning tasks, preview experiment accuracy, publishing grades, view grading, view lab activity, write post, join workshop, check notice board, assign moderator, and view statistical dashboard. Non-functional requirement. Non-functional requirement define system attributes such as security, reliability, performance, maintainability, scalability, and usability. This ensure the usability and effectiveness of this system. Here is the non-functional requirement of performance, capacity, reliability, security, maintenance, and activity. Technology stack. These are the technologies I am trying to solve in my project. Language is JavaScript, front-end libraries React.js for state management using Redux.js. UI component is Tailwind CSS. For web server is Node.js and backend framework is Express.js. Database is MongoDB and Mongoose, which is ODM, Object Document Modeling. And the CI/CD is GitHub, Heroku, and Firebase. Nowadays, Heroku and Firebase connect with the GitHub branches and actions. And when some changes in GitHub repository, it automatically production builds in their own platform. UML diagrams. I would like to take your permission to skip this diagram, but if you have any questions, you can ask me after the presentation. Use case diagram of institution, use case diagram of teacher, use case diagram of student. Activity diagram of institution, activity diagram of teacher, activity diagram of student. Sequence diagram of authentication, authorization, and registration. Sequence diagram of creating and enroll lab room. Entity relationship diagram, class diagram, data flow diagram, and database schema. User interface. This project is fully responsible for all devices and the project is totally built or designed in Bengali language. Home page, experiments, about, features, experiments for physics, chemistry, biology, responsive page, institution page, and review and footer page. And this is the experiment for physics and chemistry and biology, and the login from registration from and institution registration from. Theory of experiment, animation, procedure, video, and simulation of experiment, observation tables, and graph, and other facilities. These are the references papers where I collect the data in my project. Thank you.